Wildfire, we are moving up the road towards a town to the east. Confirm you have a visual on us.
Got eyes on friendlies. Crew, do not fire on any target marked by a strobe. Those are friendlies.
TV, confirm you see the church in the town.
We see it. Start the clock. Roger that. We're there. Start talking.
You are not authorized to level the church. Do not fire directly on the church.
Got a vehicle moving now. One of the vehicles is moving right now. Personnel coming out of the church. We have armed personnel approaching from the church. Request permission to engage.
Copy. You are cleared to engage the moving vehicle and any personnel around you see.
Affirmative. Crew, you are cleared to engage, but do not fire on the church. Kaboom. Nice. Good kill, good kill. Direct hit. Personnel right there. You got him. Light him up. Get that guy. You got him. Okay, you got him. Get back on the other guys. Yeah, direct hits right there. Guy running. Nail those guys by the building. Okay, he's moving again. Right there, tracking.
Yeah, cleared to engage.
Enemies crossing the field. We got a runner here.
Cleared to engage all of those.
Good kill, good kill. Yeah, take him out. Get that person.
Copy, smoke him.
Hot damn! Okay, he's moving again. More enemy personnel. Get that guy. Enemy personnel on the road. We got a moving vehicle here. Roger, guy moving. Guy running. You gonna get him?
Yeah, cleared to engage.
Yeah, good kill. I see lots of little pieces down there.
Wildfire, this is Bravo 6. Be advised, we're passing a large church and continuing towards the main highway. Keep up the fire. Bravo 6 out.
Roger that. Engage anything without a flashing strobe light. Those are all hostiles.
Yeah, good kill. I see lots of little pieces down there. Whoa! We got a vehicle on the move. Yep, he's heading for the ditch. We got a runner here. Kaboom. Gun ready! Get back on those guys. Personnel right there. There's a guy by that car. That's a hit. Clear to engage enemy personnel. Light them up. Yep, that was right on target. Enemy personnel on the road. Yeah, direct hits right there. More enemy personnel. You gonna get him? Tracking. Gun ready! Yeah, take him out. Shot!
Rolling in.
Enemy personnel on the road.
Recalibrate azimuth sweep angle, adjust elevation scan.
We got a moving vehicle here. Negative, negative. Do not engage. I repeat, do not engage any vehicles on the main highway.
Wildfire, we're going to commandeer civilian transport on the main highway. Cover us.
Crew, do not engage any vehicles traveling on the highway. Those are civilians. Ground units are requiring alternate transport at this time. Do not engage any vehicles on the highway unless cleared to do so.
Bet that guy's pissed. It's a nice truck.
Nah, he's scared shitless.
Wildfire, we're marking the vehicles. Confirm you see the beacons.
Roger, we see the beacons. Crew, do not fire on the vehicles marked with the flashing beacons. I repeat, do not fire on the vehicles with the flashing beacons. Those are friendlies. Okay, you got him. Get back on the other guys.
Heads up. Hostile forces are setting up ambush points along the curved road.
Navigation, which one's the curved road? Over.
Fire control. Do you see the water tower? Over.
TV, confirm you see the water tower.
You talking about the water tower near the intersection? Roger. That's the one. And next to that water tower is a curved road. Do you see that?
Roger that.
Track that road into the next village. You should be able to see another water tower in the village further down that road.
We're having a bit of trouble acquiring the village. How far up the road is it?
Approximately, hang on. It's about 2 clicks along the curved road going away from the highway. Yeah, roger that. We're banking towards the village. Stand by to engage ground targets. We got hostiles setting up along the curved road.
Hostiles preparing to ambush along the curved road. They're partially concealed by the trees.
Whoa! Someone just fired an RPG!
Roger that. Crew, go ahead and take out everything in that village. Armored vehicle right there coming out of the barn.
Targets in the village are confirmed as hostile. Cleared to engage. Smoke them.
Wildfire, we're under attack. We could use some help here.
Crew, track those smoke trails and take them out at the source. Clear a path for our guys.
Personnel on the roof of that U-shaped building.
U-shaped building?
Roger. Well, the square structure on the roof? It's the one with the flat roof.
You got him. Direct hit.
Rolling in.
Yep, that was right on target. Good kill, good kill. You got him.
Hot damn!
That's a hit. Direct hit. Tracking.
Whoa! Gun ready!
There's a guy by that car. Kaboom.
Gun ready!
Set scan range. Target reset. Clean up that signal. Recalibrate azimuth sweep angle, adjust elevation scan.
Wildfire, we're approaching the LZ at the junkyard and leaving the vehicles.
Roger that, Bravo 6. Crew friendlies are leaving the vehicles and moving on foot towards the LZ. Do not fire on any personnel marked by a flashing strobe. Affirmative. Keep watching for those strobe lights. Those are friendlies.
Enemy personnel in the junkyard.
Crew, go ahead and smoke them. Man, these guys are going to town.
Hot damn!
Check your fire. You're shooting at friendlies. Watch for the blinking strobes. Those are our guys.
Whoa!
Target reset.
There's a guy by that car. Be careful. You almost killed our guys there. Roger, guy moving. Nail those guys by the building. Kaboom. Okay, you got him. Get back on the other guys. Clear to engage enemy personnel. You got him. Clear to engage enemy personnel. Oopsie daisy. Nail those guys. We got a runner here. That's a hit. Roger, guy moving. Nail those guys by the building. You gonna get him?
Hot damn! Gun ready!
Yep, that was right on target. Personnel right there. Okay, he's moving again.
Set scan range.
Wildfire, we've reached the LZ, but we're taking fire from all sides. Request fire support on all sides of the LZ. Danger close.
Enemy personnel closing on the LZ from multiple sides. Danger close. Recommend you stick to the 25mm in the vicinity of the LZ.
Check your fire. You're shooting at friendlies. Watch for the blinking strobes. Those are our guys. Right there, tracking.
Clean up that signal. Target reset. Set scan range.
There's a guy by that car.
Shot!
Shit, must have been a full tank of gas.
Whoa!
Copy. Crew, be advised. Friendly helicopters entering the area. Watch your fire.
Wildfire, we're moving towards the helicopters now. Thanks for the assist. Bravo 6 out.
This is gonna be one hell of a highlight reel.
Yeah, I heard that. Crew, VIP is secure and in custody. Good job, everyone. Roger that. Returning to base.